Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to use Google Sheets for content calendar. Google Sheets allows you to plan and organize a content calendar with flexibility, accessible across multiple devices. And here are the steps to use Google Sheets as a content calendar on Windows. First, open a web browser like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, etc. Go to the Sheets website. Make sure to sign in with your Google account. Click the blank button to create a new spreadsheet. Rename the spreadsheet to Content Calendar by clicking the title. In the row 1, add headers like date, platform, content idea, caption, status, or notes. Bold the headers for clarity by clicking Command B or Control B. Adjust column widths to fit your content by highlighting them, then click and hold this option to the right. Enter your planned posting dates under the date column. Fill in the platform, for example, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, etc. Add your content ideas or titles in the content idea column. Fill in status like planned, drafted, or posted, and fill in the notes if needed. Then share the sheet with your team by clicking the file, share, and update it regularly.
And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.